I just got in some samples from overseas of bags. I'm really excited about it. And we're going to do a little unboxing. So, here we go. Be careful not to cut the contents. These are round nylon bags. They're really cool. I ordered several new designs. That looks so good. Disco ball. We'll get that out of plastic in just a second. Classic. Yin Yang. 90s are back, baby. Evil Eye bag. Very cool. And an awesome blue eyeball. Okay. Oh my gosh, in the 8-ball. Forgot about that too. Yes. Sweet. Alright, let's look at this eyeball. This is amazing. Okay. So crinkly. Nice detail. This is a nylon canvas. Really quite sturdy, durable material. It's just one big pocket. Very simple and great. And it can turn into a mini backpack depending on how you strap these up with this strap. And the strap is quite long. It's one of these dealios. Wow, it looks so good. Awesome. Alright, I want to see this disco ball. Show me the disco ball. Awesome. It's so dimensional. It's great. Oh, I'm really excited about these. Yeah, these are not in the shop yet, but they will be soon. Very cool. Yeah, and this is part of it. There's more like these bags because I like them so much. So like one that is in the shop is this googly eye design. Just a big old eyeball. And then I've got my green cyber swirl one, which matches this background perfectly. Very trivial. Awesome. Yeah. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Look for these in the shop soon. Okay, bye.